Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Umoma Kedukonumere. It's been a minute. How have you been? In today's lesson, we're coming back with a bang. We're actually learning how to dance simple Igbo dance steps. I found out during the summer lessons that many children couldn't dance Igbo steps. They don't know Igbo songs, they don't know how to dance Igbo dance. And that was why I decided that in this new season of lesson, we're going to start with a dance video. I'm very excited to bring this to you, and I want you to watch till the very end so that you're going to hear the important announcement that I have to make today. All right, before we get started, I want you to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Have you done it now? Okay, since you've liked, shared, and subscribed, let me tell you how today's video is going to go. The first part of it is that I'm going to show you exactly how to dance, like the steps. I'm going to break down the steps to you, and then subsequently, we're going to actually do the real dance. So I want you to follow me. Any step I show you, I want you to make sure that you are also dancing, and also ensure that when it's time for the real dance, you actually join me and do everything I do. It is practice that makes better. We're not looking for you to be perfect. We just want you to be able to make good attempts every time you try. Okay? Now, let's get started. All right. So the first step is actually the step where we move this right hand and right leg forward and backward. You see, something like this. You see, like this. That's the first easy Igbo dance. Okay, now the second step is the one where we get to move towards our right hand side and also our left hand side. So I can just do my body like this. Join me. Do like this, and then I can just go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even just dance. Do you see? Just dance, just dance, just dance. And that's it. Very, very good, right? Amazing. The next one is the one where we get to move our body. We shake our body like this, and then I can just take my right leg forward, bring it back, take my left leg forward, and also bring it back. Is it very easy? All right, so let's attempt it. So I'll start by like this. Just move like this. Move, move, take your right leg forward. Did you see? Left, back, front, and back. Front and back. So easy. Okay, the next dance step is the one where we get to move our shoulders. We're having to learn the shoulder dance. The shoulder dance is just very easy. We move our shoulders forward and backward, just one step at a time. And then over time, we make it faster and faster and faster. And then it becomes a complete shoulder dance. Or you can move it up and down like this. Do you see? Up and down like this. It's still the shoulder dance. So if I move it faster, it becomes I hope you're doing it with me. That's actually what it entails, okay? The next one is the one where we get to move our back and our chest, inside and outside. So I go like this, in, out, in, out. It's not just only your hand that you'll be moving like this. Your shoulder and your chest and your back need to also be in movement alongside your hands. Something like this. You see? So easy, right? Well done. Okay, the next step is the one where we're still moving our chest and our back in and out. We move to the right and we also move to the left. So let me start. Wow, that was so easy. I hope it was easy for you too. Well done. The next one is the dance where we're still moving our chest inwards and outwards, and then we go down on our knees and we're still dancing. I know you can do it. Let's try it together, okay? So easy. The very next one is the one where we can put our hands on the floor, joining our knees on the floor, and we still keep moving our shoulders and our back in and out. Are you ready? Watch me. So easy. Very good. Wow, that was quite a lot. We've already started dancing, so I want you to be preparing for the real dance. The next one we're going to have is how to dance the waist dance. The waist dance is very simple. Just move your knee, your right knee forward and the other knee backward. And then you take it, switch sides. This one is now forward, the other one is backward. So let's go. We're switching front, back, like this. And while you're doing it, your waist is moving. Look at my front view. I'm going to show you my side view and then my back view. Can you see my waist moving? That's just what I mean, okay? The very next one, which is going to be the final one for today, is this stance where we put our hands by our waist like this. And then with this one, you begin pointing downwards and also moving your legs open, just opening your legs this way and closing it back. Can you try? Join me as we practice. Let's go. Did you do well? Well done. Let's go to the real dance. that. I believe you were able to practice. Remember, it is practice that makes better, right? Don't look forward to being perfect. Look forward to learning and mastering one step each time you try. Do you understand? Now to the big announcement. We are opening up the slots for Igbo for a year. You're going to be learning Igbo for 1 full year using our structured, robust curriculum to aid your language skills. It's going to be all shades of amazing. People that participated in our summer classes can tell that their Igbo skills improved. If this is something you want your Igbo language skills to improve, you want consistent practice, you want a structured curriculum, or you want various opportunities to actually get feedback on your Igbo speaking skills, then this is something you should take advantage of. Send a message to the number on your screen using the details you can see on the flyer, and we will tell you everything you need to know to get started. Remember to take advantage of the early bird discount so that you actually get to pay less. It's already very affordable. Imagine discounting it even further. So that's it. I want to see you in class. However, that will be all for today's video. Stay practicing, stay dancing. Na sukwi Igbo maka na gini Igbo amaka. Cardinal.